What's up mga lods? Good morning mga lodi. So ayan mga sir, meron tayo ditong Aerox B1. So dumaya pa si sir kahit na maulan from South Caloocan mga lods. So ipapa-rear disc brake ni bossing to. So naka-set up na yung front ni bossing. Rear disc brake conversion lang yung gagawin natin dito. Naka-star mag si bossing na low profile 17 mga lods. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pyesa na i-install natin dyan mga sir. So ayan mga sir, brake masses tayo left and right, LCB, tapos ito yung pinaka-caliper ni bossing, color silver mga sir. So let's go.
You pretend to listen, you pretend to care, you call yourself a friend, but you're never even there. No, all I can say is you're getting in the way, and you're making up things that aren't true. Take what you need, but there's nothing left for me. It's a phase that you never outgrew. It's all about you, it's all about you, it's all about the things that you wanna do. It's all about you, it's all about you. I can't believe the things that you put me through. Every stupid story, every crazy lie. You love to play the victim, but I'm so bored I could cry. Yeah, all I can say is you're getting in my way, and you're making up things that aren't true. You take what you need till there's nothing left for me. It's a phase that you never outgrew. It's all about you, it's all about you, it's all about the things that you wanna do. It's all about you, it's all about you. I can't believe the things that you put me through. So concerned with yourself, there's no time.
Alright, so yun mga lods, update lang tayo dito sa Aerox ni bossing. All set na yung caliper natin sa rear. Then dito sa front, tinutolo na natin yung pinaka-brake master ni bossing. All set na yung mga lods. Ganun tayo dito sa brake motor mga sir. So install na rin yung caliper dito sa pinaka-front. So ano pang inaantay natin mga lods? Testingin na natin yan kahit maulan. Let's go! Umulan, umaraw! Testing! Yun, dahil yung testing mo. Ayun na. Excuse na. Pagka naka-disc brake ka, kalag yung likod.
Palitan yan, kasi wala akong araw na. Malapit na araw ako ngayon.
Hey boy, okay na yan boy. 17. Ayan, D1 mga sir. Ingat sir, ingat. Saluhan pa.